So today we had a meeting about European project, which is to create better meat with the help of flowers, as I understood well.
Now, the aim of this project was to develop food prototypes for special dietary requirements. The first was the younger generation, the other is the elderly people. Both of these generations, they have special dietary requirements. So in this case, we developed so-called sausages and pickled and smoked prototypes of meat products that are directly consumable for them, and they have some positive dietary effects, having higher in fiber or in bioactive compounds thanks to the herbs and spices we are using in them.
Can we say that it's good for the animals, which, like for creating the beef, the pork meat, to feed the animals with the herbs?
Of course, the digestion is similar to humans, so it is important that if we use these kind of positive health effects compounds, that they will be healthier. So during the rearing or fattening, they get more positive substances in their diet, so we can avoid any diseases or any negative effects. So the well-being of their animals and the production will be better. But of course, these substances will be used during the nutrient intake, so it will be lost for humans. In this project, that is why we put them after or during the preparation. So we would like these kind of bioactive components to be available for humans, for the consumers.
In this project, it was mostly about pork, but we were told that also the halal meat, like the beef and the sheep sausage, was also produced.
Yes, it's another technology development. We would like to develop so-called pork-free sausages, pork-free products, and without any preservatives, so natural components of herbs and spices would be responsible for the shelf life, for the preservation of these meat products. But in this project we could obtain halal slaughtered animals, namely sheep. So we made some sausage of sheep with herbs and with bioactive substances, and we did it with foreign students. Because of their religious bonds, they would not be able to work with pork. So they were the producers with our help, and they say that the taste and the quality of these products are very good, and we are glad because the university has several thousand foreign students, and most of them would like to have to eat food or meat products not containing pork because of obvious reasons.
And what kind of EU-funded projects are running now at the Faculty of Agriculture?
Well, there are several projects funded by the European Union. We are somehow at the end of these kind of projects. They are covering the water management, environmental management, precision agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture, so various range of programs we are undertaking with university cooperation or with cooperation with the with the farmers and for food processing enterprises.
And why is it important to involve companies into these researches?
The involvement of companies are somehow one direction. They are the ones who are requiring this kind of scientific or innovative inputs from the university, and the other hand, they will be those who will produce these kind of producers or use the results in their activities. So, in the beginning, those who are inventing the ideas or developing the ideas what we should do with them are the companies, and those the end users are also among these companies. So we hope that we can contribute to their financial success or market success with our innovation.
And what are the advantages to have such a small meat factory here at the faculty?
The meat unit is also in the part of that food processing plant, innovative food processing facility we are operating. There are also the dairy unit besides the meat, and we also have fruit and vegetable and meal and pasta and bakery. But the main advantage of that unit is that we can produce fruit prototypes on small quantities. But since we have a full license from the food authority, all the consumers and the test person legally can eat these kind of produce, and we can also sell it in shops. But because if it's small, and we can do it for several kilograms of meat instead of tons, so we can be very good cooperators of larger companies in the development phase of the food prototypes.
Thank you.